Hey guys, it's Cassie and today I have a Gucci unboxing of their newest women's sneakers. Currently it's only down as women's. I don't know if there's going to be men's versions or whatever, but we're going to go through it. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie and I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're going to love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's jump in. Okay, so these shoes are part of the Gucci Aria collection. This is Gucci's 100th year anniversary collection. Oh my gosh, get off. Which some pieces are dropping now, hence these shoes are a part of it. Now, I'm also going to be going through, a receipt. I'm also going to be going through the different variations of these, as I'm aware of 3. Shockingly, I don't have a pair of like all white low top sneakers in my collection. I know, I have like every weird and wonderful combination except for, you know, the normal one. Okay, so dust bags, 1 each, little bits of padding. What else do we have? We have documents. We have a spare pair of laces. Let's just look at the sodding shoes, shall we? Okay, so these are called the Gucci GG Women's Embossed sneaker or something. These are all white. You've got a little bit of chunk, a little bit of heft here that gives that kind of retro-y feel. I love this because although they're super simple at first glance, there are a lot of like design elements of this that I love. If you like, take a second to have a closer look, okay? So you've got the GG's debossed here in the leather. You've got perforated area here, same over here. At the back, we have the gold Gucci GGs, and who doesn't love a pop of gold against white? You know, just when you thought everything was, you know, like, oh, run of the mill, yeah, I've seen it all before. Bam, thank you. And look at that, the Gucci embossed in the tread there, okay? Underneath, blah, blah. And then also on the tongue, lest we forget, little Gucci, what is this? Tab? Something going on. Now, these are super light. Easy, very comfortable. I will talk you through sizing and all of that. Now, I did just want to cover the other variations. In case this is a little bit too boring for you, they do have a version exactly the same style, except instead of this kind of debossed Gucci leather, you have the Gucci webbing down the sides, everywhere else is perforated, and then you have a blue kind of section at the back here, just in case, I don't know, the all white is too fresh and so clean for you, you know? I see you, we all have different vibes, I get it. Now, they're also doing a version of this, which this whole tread part of it is tan and the laces are tan. Again, just something a little bit different. I haven't seen any inklings that that is going to be in the UK. I have a feeling that this is only going to be US because I managed to get this information from a US Gucci sales associate. I really hope that they build more variations into this style because I think it's such an easy no-brainer style. Okay. These are £575. These are on the UK website. The links will be below. I can't find it on the US website yet, but if there's any updates, I will put them there. I'm a liar. I did find them on the US website. However, they're only currently under men's sneakers. However, updates will be below. Now, I got mine in a size 39. I am usually a size 39, so I would say these are true to size, which is a little bit interesting because the Gucci Ace crystal sneakers I have over here are a full size down. These are leather, so they are going to open up a bit, but not a crazy amount, so you want to make sure you are comfortable living life. I love the fact there's a platform. Of course I do. I love a good platform sneaker. You know, if I can get an extra little bit of height and be comfortable while doing so, why not? Why the hell not? Now, these shoes are pretty chunky, okay? I want to show you if we compare the front of the shoe to the Dior B27s, okay? There's a lot more width over here. She's a chunkier shoe, but the thing is, because it's all white and it's very simple, it's not going to look overpowering, it's not going to look crazy, you're not going to look like you have clown feet, as you would if there was like a lot of colours going on and like it was very statementy, you know? Okay, they're all white. This is an absolute no-brainer of a shoe. It's going to go with everything. Shorts in the summer, jeans, autumn, winter. Oh God, a split legging, for example. Don't worry, I've got another here. A legging with one of those like slits at the front or on the side or whatever. It's going to go well with skirts. Even like a floral midi dress. I don't know your vibe, but I guarantee that these are going to go with everything. These are super, super comfortable, nice and padded and comfy and like walking on clouds on the inside. I don't even think you're going to get a blister the first time you wear these, okay? Your only con with this, if you're going to go with the selections currently available, is keeping them clean. But, you know, I am up for a challenge. If you're in the market for an all-white sneaker that's going to go with everything, that's comfortable, maybe you will need a little bit of height, maybe you're on the shorter side, I don't know, right? But totally have a look at these. I love these. I just hope that they add more colours because I am living for the entire vibe of this shoe. Guys, let me know what you think. I'm going to leave a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are. And in the words of my father,
if you've enjoyed it, tell your friends. If you haven't, keep your mouth shut.
And I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.